Hello everyone, welcome to my new video. Today I am going to tell you all how to install an IDE in your PC. So first of all, we should know what is an IDE. An IDE is an integrated development environment. It's a software for building application. It increases the productivity by combining common activities in a single application, like editing, source code building executable code, debugging, encoding, and etc. So I am going to install IntelliJ IDEA. For installing IntelliJ IDEA, you have to write Intel. You have to search for IntelliJ IDEA. Now you can see a JetBrains website has come. Click on it and directly go on download button. Here you can see two options are coming, Ultimate and Community. I will install the Community version because the Ultimate version is a paid version. Now click on download. As you can see, download has been started, but I will not download as I have already installed. After downloading IntelliJ, you will able to see this IntelliJ file in your download folder. Click on it. As you can see, it has started downloading in my PC, but it will not install as I have already installed it. After downloading IntelliJ, you will be able to see this IntelliJ icon has been displayed on a desktop. You should double click and open it. After some time you will able to see this file. You have to click on new project. As you can see, my project is ready to work. You can choose your programming language from here. I will choose Java SDK file. Now enter on next. You can name your project file as anything. I will name it as you all can Java. My Java project has been created. And finish. Now I am going to create a new class in my Java project. So let us understand what is a class in Java. A class is a user-defined blueprint or a prototype from which objects are created. It represents the set of methods that are common to all objects of one type. So here you can see in src folder, we right click and here you can see an option of new Java class and enter on it. You can name Java class as anything, but it should not be a starting letter with a number. It should not start with a capital letter and it should not be a keyword of a Java. As if we name it as if, here you can see that this is not a valid Java qualified name message represents here because this is a keyword in Java class. So I am going to name it as hello. As you can see, my Java class has been created. Now I am going to create a new method, main method here. So what is a method? A method is a block of code which is executable in Java program which give instruction to the computer to perform specific tasks like addition, subtraction, multiplication and many more things. So for creating a new method, we have to write public static void main string RGS. Here you can see that the header of this method is this whole name, and the name of this method is main, and the criteria for this method is string RGS, and this curly bracket represents the method where you can enter your code. So I am simply going to print hello world. We print hello world program first because to check whether the installation has been done successfully or not. So here you can see I have completed my program, so I'm going to run it. For running program in IntelliJ, you have to click on this triangle and then click on hello main. My building of this project has been started. As you can see, hello world is printed on this outbox task. Here this has been printed. So I'm going to continue this video of Java series. If you like this video, click the like button, and if you want more interesting videos like this, subscribe my channel. And if you have any query, you can comment down